There's something empowering about upgrading a daily habit and actually seeing the difference it makes. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we turn everyday routines into smarter beauty decisions. If you've ever felt like your manual toothbrush just isn't cutting it, but full-on electric brushes feel bulky, pricey, or overkill, this might be exactly what you've been missing. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed and tap that bell so you never miss an honest beauty review that helps you spend smarter. The product I'm reviewing is the Philips Sonicare One Rechargeable Toothbrush. This is a slim, lightweight electric toothbrush designed to bridge the gap between a traditional manual brush and a full-powered Sonicare device. It's built for people who want a noticeable upgrade in cleaning without committing to a large, countertop-style electric toothbrush. At the core of this brush are micro vibrations paired with soft, tapered nylon bristles. Instead of doing all the work for you, it enhances your regular brushing motion. You brush the way you normally would, and the vibrations gently polish the teeth as you go. It also includes a built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second pacing alerts, which helps ensure even brushing across all quadrants of the mouth. The handle is rechargeable via USB, comes with a matching brush head, and includes a compact travel case. One important thing to note, this handle only works with Philips One brush heads, so it's not interchangeable with other Sonicare refills. Using this brush day-to-day feels intuitive. There's no learning curve, no pressure sensors to figure out, no multiple modes to toggle through. You turn it on, brush like normal, and let the micro vibrations do their thing. The bristles feel soft and gentle, which I really appreciate, especially along the gum line. After brushing, my teeth consistently felt smoother than they do with a manual toothbrush, particularly around the front teeth where surface stains tend to show first. It's not the same deep, high-powered clean you'd get from a premium Sonicare model, but that's not the goal here. This is about elevating a manual routine, not replacing a professional-level device. Where it really shines is convenience. The brush is slim, quiet, and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to travel with. I tossed it into the included case and used it on the go without feeling like I was packing a bulky gadget. Battery life held up well for daily use, and charging via USB makes it simple to power up anywhere. That said, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. If you're used to high-intensity sonic brushing, this will feel more subtle. It doesn't remove plaque as aggressively as higher-end electric toothbrushes, and the lack of multiple modes means less customization. Also, being locked into Philips One specific brush heads is something to consider long-term. What I really like is how balanced this brush is. It's gentle, easy to use, stylish, and genuinely improves the brushing experience compared to manual brushing. On the downside, it's not ideal for someone who needs advanced features like pressure sensors or deep clean modes, and replacement heads can be more expensive than standard manual ones. In terms of value, the price makes sense for what you're getting. You're paying for smart design, portability, and Sonicare-backed technology, not advanced clinical features. If you've been brushing manually and want a noticeable upgrade without going all in on a premium electric brush, this feels like a fair investment. If your oral care needs are more complex, or you're chasing that dentist-level clean every single day, you may want to look higher up in the Sonicare range. Compared to standard manual toothbrushes, this is a clear step up in performance and polish. Compared to full Sonicare models, it's intentionally simpler, smaller, and more travel-friendly. It really comes down to lifestyle and expectations. Quick pause here. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. The build quality feels solid despite the lightweight design. The handle has a sleek, modern finish, and everything fits neatly into the travel case without feeling flimsy. With proper care and regular brush head changes every 3 months, as dentists recommend, this is a brush that should hold up well over time. Philips as a brand has a strong reputation in oral care, and while I didn't personally need to contact customer support, they're generally known for being reliable and responsive if issues arise. If you're working with a tighter budget, a quality manual toothbrush with soft bristles can still do the job, especially when paired with good technique. If you're willing to spend more, a full-featured Sonicare model will deliver stronger cleaning power and more customization. So here's the bottom line. The Philips Sonicare One does exactly what it promises. It upgrades manual brushing in a smart, approachable way without overwhelming you. It's best suited for minimalists, travelers, students, or anyone easing into electric brushing for the first time. It's not trying to be the most powerful toothbrush on the market, and that's actually its strength. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the comments or description box. And if you've tried this toothbrush yourself, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.